How much nga ba yung total expenses namin sa aming Las Vegas trip? So, eto na nga ang kwento. First, we book our flight via Flight Hub. So, nakuha namin siya ng $220 each. And we pay additional $130 for check-in luggage. For the accommodation, we book our hotel via booking.com. So, the total amount is 600 Canadian dollars. Included na dun yung $50 per night for the security deposit. And for the car rental, we pay $290 for 2 days and additional $150 total for the gas. Our Lyft or the taxi, the total amount is $120. And for the parking, so a total of $80 included na yung sa airport ng Edmonton and sa parking sa hotel. For the internet or the data, inactivate ko yung roaming ko, so the total is $60. And we just do a hotspot. And the last one is pocket money. So for me, nagdala lang ako ng $250, so equivalent to 350 Canadian dollars. So all the expenses we divided into four. So based on my computation, the total amount that I spend on this trip is almost 1,000 Canadian dollars, which is not too bad for 4 days and 3 nights. The important thing is we enjoy, we share all the memories, and we learn a lot of things in every places that we just visited. So again, thank you for watching all of our video for our Las Vegas trip. So see you again on our next trip. Goodbye.